Well, as I was surfing YouTube, I came across with this comment here by Manoj Puthran. I do hope I'm not butchering the name. He says, whole movie shot in one room, few seen outdoor, and can still hold you for more than 2 hours. Today's filmmakers spend millions, can't even sit for 10 minutes. With more than 700 likes, this comment expresses exactly how I feel about movies today. Most of the time I have to re-watch the good old movies, the classics, in order to have some fun. Then again, maybe the problem is with me, not the movies. But I digress. Let me go back to the video.
An ignorant slob. He don't even speak good English.
He doesn't even speak good English.
Again!
An ignorant slob. He don't even speak good English.
He doesn't even speak good English.
An ignorant slob. He don't even speak good English. This is a slob. This is good and English. And finally, in here, he is corrected. He doesn't even speak good English. He doesn't even speak good English. It's funny. If Americans make English mistakes, what hope do we have? So, don't feel bad if you make English mistakes. I make them all the time.
We all make mistakes in life, children.
In fact, if you spot any of my mistakes, feel free to correct me. I don't mind. 12 Angry Men. And there's anger everywhere these days. You've noticed? So, as I was making this video, I've decided to make another video about 12 angry Brazilian men. Starting at number 12 with Reinaldo Azevedo.
Cala sua boca, mentiroso!
That's an angry man for you. Reminds me of this.
Kick him in the teeth where it hurts! Kill! 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 Filthy bastard commies! I hate him! I hate him! Ah!
What would this world be like without John Cleese on it? I don't even want to think about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be right back.